Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial video, I'll be showing you the process on how you can sign in into the mobile banking application of TSB Bank on iPhone. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and to press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to download and install TSB mobile banking application on your device. Then you tap and open the application. Here you will see login form page where first of all you need to provide your user ID. Then you need to tap on setup where you need to provide your password, then click on continue where you will get directly logged in into the mobile banking application of TSB Bank. Just in case if you forgot your login details, you need to tap on the option given that is having trouble logging in. Then you can go in for either resetting your login details or recover your user ID. Once you tap on it, you will be redirected to another page. There you need to follow the further instruction that has been provided. Then you will be able to recover your account credential. Hope this video is truthful for you all on how you can get logged in into the mobile banking application of TSB Bank. Thank you.